Let's basically talk about why a lot of content creators failed as content creators. Let's talk about it because a lot of people have been shying away from this, but this is one of the major reasons why a lot of content creators are not even doing well on this said platform called YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. One of the basic reasons why a lot of content creators fail on YouTube is because they fail to understand the YouTube algorithm. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is one of the most important things that can help you seamlessly navigate YouTube. A lot of people do not even understand how the algorithm works. They do not even understand when the algorithm is putting out your videos, when the algorithm is recommending your videos, when other sources is where your views are coming from. So because they do not understand how this algorithm works, for them to be able to know the right thing to do on YouTube is becoming a lot more difficult. I've been able to coach over 300 students, and as I'm talking to you guys, my masterclass is coming on the 7th, and the 99% of job I've been able to do for most of my students is they do not even understand how to navigate the algorithm. They do not even understand what the algorithm wants. They do not even understand how the algorithm is going. So if you do not understand how these things are going, at the end of the day, you will be on YouTube. You will keep toying over and over without getting solution. Understanding the algorithm of YouTube is one of the most important thing every single creators should not joke with. As a newbie on YouTube, as an OG on YouTube, if you do not understand, somebody will just come today and surpass you, and you will still be there struggling for how do I do this? I am still lagging behind. The algorithm is not favoring me. The algorithm hates my channel. Trust me, YouTube algorithm will never hate your channel. What you need to do is to understand how the algorithm works. And if you understand, it's as simple as ABCD. The second thing that is making a lot of content creators to fail on YouTube is they just want to make it now. They just want to blow up now. They just want that views to come up now. You can see a lot of people dropping in my live stream. They will tell you, oh, why with Sonia, I don't get enough views. Why with Sonia, I don't get enough this. Why with Sonia? And if I ask them, when did you start creating content? Or if I per se go into their channel from my live stream to go and see what is actually happening, I find out that these people, some of them just created channel 3 months ago, some 1 week ago, some 1 month ago, some just created channel 2 days ago, and you are expecting to just blow up on YouTube. I'm not saying that your first video cannot do well for you on YouTube. No, don't get me wrong. I will never say that. There are people here that posted their first video on YouTube and the video just blew up on YouTube, and they have passed even people that have been on YouTube for years. It is possible. Don't think it is not possible. But if that particular log did not fall on you, you need to be patient. YouTube is when you are cooking beans, and you cannot just put that beans and just automatically beans done. It is not possible. It is something you need to learn on the job. It is something you need to learn to work with whatsoever you are getting. If you do not want to fail in this 2025 and you do not want to regret coming on YouTube, you need to learn to be patient. The views will automatically not come. It is normal that you're just starting on YouTube and you're not getting views. It is normal that you are even on 1 year on YouTube, you're not getting views. And what could actually make this to still keep happening repeatedly years after years? It is because of the number one I said, which is you not understanding how the algorithm works. Because by the time I check their channel, I find out that if you don't understand, then you are in a hurry. Then at the end of the day, you are not going to be achieving what you need to achieve. YouTube is a process. It gets processed every single day for you to be able to achieve your result. YouTube is what you need to keep working on. You need to keep seeing your lapses where you are not doing well and know how to balance it. You need to know how the YouTube studio is going, to know the kind of videos you want to create more, to know what is actually doing well for you. So if you are in a hurry on YouTube, you are going to fail on YouTube. That is why you find out that a lot of people at some point, they will not tell you that, why be Sonia, I'm even tired of YouTube. Are you even sure I should still be doing YouTube? You cannot just start your channel 2 days ago, 1 week ago, and expect that channel to just blow up. It is not done. So if you're among those set of people that has always been in a hurry for you to get views, why am I getting just 50 views? Why am I getting 2 views? Why am I not supposed to be more than these views? Stop it. Very patient with your process on YouTube. Being patient with your process on YouTube is something that can help you a whole lot. The third thing that is actually making a lot of content creators to fail on YouTube is not obeying the rules and regulation. Is not being able to learn from people's mistake. Is not being able to see what this person said, I have done this wrong and you don't do this. You understand? A lot of people listen to a whole lot of content creators, and at the end of the day, you don't even know the particular right decision for you to be able to pick and work with that decision. I'm not saying you should stop watching other content creators, but if you are watching, you should know the basic thing that is actually working for you. You should know the basic thing that you be like, okay, this one is working for me. Okay, let me just stick to this one that is actually working for me, or let me minus this one. You understand? Because by the time you get here, you get there, you get east, west, north, and south, at some point you get confused. Because one thing you need to know on YouTube is every single person that is sharing their content on YouTube is sharing out of experience. My experience will not be the same with your experience, will not be the same with my own experience. So by the time you keep mixing so many experience to your experience, trust me, at some point you will get frustrated and you'll be like, YouTube is not for me. But I want to single-handedly tell you that YouTube is for every single person that wants to grow on this particular platform. YouTube is for every single person that wants to make money on this particular platform. YouTube is for every single person that is ready to take the blame. Always be ready to take the blame. That's just the honest truth. Now, another thing that is killing a whole lot of channel on this YouTube street and is making you to fail on YouTube is I want to make the money now. I want to make the money now. In as much as I keep telling you every single day that do everything possible for you to get your channel monetized, I want to also let you know that the money is not just going to come as speed as possible as you think. There are a lot of people that are on this YouTube street for over 2 years. They've not been able to get a single $100. But the only thing that keeps pushing them is because their mind is at peace. They are not just ready for, oh, it is all about the money. It is all about the money. I came to this YouTube platform, to be honest with you, because I simply want to make money. But I never carried it on my head that I want to make the money now. I think there was one of my videos I did and I shared with you guys and I told you guys that I told myself that even if I will be making just $50 or $100, or $1 every single day, or even in a week, as long as I'm making something out of it, I'm not going to get frustrated. And that was why it took me 6 years. It took me 6 months to get monetized on YouTube with this particular channel. It took me another extra 6 months for me to get my first $100 on YouTube. Then just imagine I am all about, I want to make it now. I want to get the money now. And at some point, the money was not coming. At some point, you wake up in the morning, a whole month, you're seeing $9 on your studio. At some point, you wake up a whole morning, you're seeing $10, you're seeing $5 on your studio. If not because I already programmed my mind, I wouldn't have been able to get there. So that is why it is advisable, in as much as you were trying to do YouTube, also look for extra side hustle. Just know that this one, whenever the time is ripe, you can say, oh, this side hustle, I don't need you again. In fact, a lot of content creators right now are even getting more side hustles. These are content creators that after in a month, they get up to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. But they are still looking for more side hustle because they know that you cannot just put all your eggs in one basket. So do not just rely on YouTube and say, oh, my YouTube is monetized. I'll not start having money. Okay, since I'm not starting having money now, there's no need for me to do anything again extra. I just need to focus on YouTube. You will fail on YouTube because there are days that are coming that you're not going to be getting the views. There are days that are coming, they're not going to be getting the money. There are days that are coming, you're not going to be getting the coins. And if you do not stand strong those days, at the end of the day, you are not going to just keep feeling pity for yourself, keep staying in one location without getting answer, without getting the opportunity you're looking for. And what's come to worse, you just tell yourself, I beg, I'm giving up. I just want to quit. You see, all of these things I've been able to mention, these are the things that is making a lot of content creators to fail on YouTube. And if you do not want to fail on YouTube, you want to understand the YouTube algorithm, you want to understand how this platform basically works, you want to understand and get people that can actually encourage you, you want to stand with people that understand what the community is, you want to know basically how everything is going on YouTube, this is where you need to join my masterclass. And my masterclass is coming on the 7th of this same month, June, and it is going to be on Saturday. So you just have like few days for you to be able to book your slots. Now, in this masterclass, I'm going to teach you how to stream your playlist. I'm going to teach you how to understand the YouTube algorithm and how the YouTube as a whole work. I am also going to give you the opportunity to meet other content creators where you can basically make them as your friends, your family, people that also maybe they are in your environment, maybe they're in your vicinity, you do not even know. This particular place is going to help you. You're going to also meet friends that can actually help you run your playlist along the line. This is why you need to book a slot with as little as 5,000 naira. I know why I made it as cheap as I can, because I know that a lot of people right now, they're always telling me, Sonia, I want to do your one-on-one, but I cannot afford it. This is an opportunity for you to use this and break through whatsoever. If you join that masterclass and then you remain the same, now you cause some for yourself. All you need to do is to check the mail in the description box, or the mail you're seeing on the screen, or the mail that it is linked in my bio, or I'm going to be pinning it in the comment section, faithonoja3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail. Tell us specifically that I want to join the 5,000 naira masterclass on YouTube, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. If you still want to be doing one-on-one, where you personally want me to go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, I can also be of help to you. With the same mail, just tell me that my own is one-on-one. And at the end of the day, we are going to get you started. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not fail on YouTube. Do not fail on. Bye for now. I love you guys.